Okay, we've had some rain come through. There was a little freezing rain involved with it. This is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, the 28th. As you can see, it's kind of moved away. There's some in South Jersey still moving out of town here. This is around 10 o'clock tonight. You can see you're basically dry. And then as we get into the morning hours on Sunday, we have some showers and some rain starting to move back in. This is around 4 in the morning. Here's 5, here's 6, 7, 8, and 9 o'clock in the morning, and you can see now we've got some moderate rain in these yellow areas here, but it's scattered still. It's not a steady rain, and that one moves off 10. Here's 11 o'clock. It's broken up. 12 o'clock. Um, Here's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then this rain that comes in later in the day. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening right here. There's some moderate rain involved with that as it moves through. And again, it's some heavier showers involved, but it's not a steady. Now, if you look here, it's around 2 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning, Sunday night, Monday morning, and it actually shows a couple of red spots here. So don't be shocked if you hear rumble and thunder or just a big old downpour. Here's 3 a.m. Here's 4, and you can still see some of these reds down here in northern Jersey. And then that moves off the coast, and they get some thunderstorms the further east it goes towards New York City. And then as we get into Monday during the day, there's a few flurries that come across, but nothing major as we get into Monday evening. All right, that's what you got there. If you're wondering about winter, here's your snow totals. Okay, see it? It's nothing. And then if you look into how much rain we get, um, let's see, let's do this. There you go. And as you can see where I showed you a couple of those red dots, could be over an inch of rain and a downpour there. Otherwise, these yellows in here are about an inch, and outside of that, you're talking maybe a quarter to a half an inch of rain in these other green areas here. So, and in northern New Jersey, you get between 3/4 to an inch or so of rain. If you get underneath one of those cloud bursts, it could be an inch and a half of rain. I know when we kind of all need rain, it'll wash a lot of the snow away and the salt away. Just get ready for the next round of cold temperatures that move in January, after the first of the year, say towards the 5th, and then we might be talking about plowable snow after that. Okay, that's where that sits. If you're wondering what the temperatures are going to be like for the next couple of days, here's Saturday's high. Let's see, whoop, wrong one. Saturday's high. You can see it's basically 40s on Saturday. Overnight on Saturday night, it really doesn't drop very much. Maybe up here towards Towanda, it gets down pretty cold, close to freezing. But then as we move to Sunday, it warms back up. Might even be some 50s in Wilkes-Barre, Scranton here during the early afternoon. And then you can see as we get to around 8 o'clock at night, the 50s are still holding on in the valley, especially up the Susquehanna Valley here where the river runs. Elsewhere, it's in the 40s. And then as we move into Monday, once the rain starts to come through, you'll see the colder air come behind it. This is around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday. And then you can see the temperatures are no longer in the 50s, but they're not bad. They're not bad for this time of year. And then as we get towards Monday night, this is around 8 o'clock. You can see the return to temperatures in the 30s in these lighter colored areas. And then in the valley areas here, they're getting down to near 40. So Monday night, it'll start to cool off. All right, I will have an update for this on Monday, and we'll talk about New Year's and go from there. All right, everybody take care.